Hi everybody, Master Chris from the Total Urban Combat Dojo here today. Today we're going to talk about our downward striking motion, okay, that we have all of our grades do and most martial arts do. So we normally teach this in our junior syllabus as part of our grades, so we do step with a downward strike, okay, and I want to talk firstly about the dynamics of it first, and then run through the routine so that everybody understands how to do it. And we're going to do this on a basic level and on an advanced level. Okay, so the basic level really is, well, when I do this movement, okay, I'm imagining somebody has grabbed hold of my arm, okay, and as I go to strike it, I pull back and I strike down on their forearm. Okay, now where am I striking? Well, the first thing is I'm striking into a point on the forearm that's just below the elbow here, so you can see my elbow bending, and it's in the top of the elbow. Okay, and if you get your thumb and you press into that, you'll find it's a bit tender or a bit painful, particularly if you point down this way towards the hand. So if I push my thumb in and crank down this way, okay, you'll find it's a lot more tender. Okay, the really observant ones amongst you will notice that when I press this, my knees start to buckle. Okay, so that's what we call a nervous response or a nervous system response. It gets the knees to buckle. Okay, so that's really useful, okay, in your self-defense. So if you're a parent out there and you're thinking, well, I don't know anything about this, you just remember that. Hit that spot or press that spot and it makes the knees buckle a little bit. It also makes the hand weaken, which means that if they grabbed you, you can get away really quickly. Okay, so when you hit this, okay, you'll notice as we hit down, okay, the hand sort of drops down slightly, okay? So if I face the camera, okay, here I am in this position, okay, we practice this, okay, by raising our hand to the opposite ear, okay, and then striking down. As we strike down, we pull the other hand back, okay? And the second time, obviously, our hand is out already, so we raise our hand to the ear, and then as we strike down, we pull back. So if you imagine as you're doing that, if you imagine somebody's got hold of you and what you're doing is you're stripping them off the arm, okay, like you would if this was a branch of a tree and you're chopping the twigs off it, okay, you'd strip down that thing, okay, to get the twigs off, okay. So the way we teach this in a forward stance, and we'll have juniors doing 5 steps forwards using our strike down routine, okay, and then we'll turn and do another 5 steps this way. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to do it 4 times. Okay, so you're going to go backwards and forwards twice. Okay, the first time you're going to go slowly and concentrate on the movement and this stripping action, okay, and striking down, okay, because it's a downward strike. This is a classic for anybody that's grabbed you, okay, or grabbed the wrist, or is holding onto a wrist, okay, really useful defense to learn, even if you're a complete novice, okay, really useful to use because it's so simple to do, okay. Why does the arm come up here? Well, that means that I'm pushing my arm in the right angle and direction. Why is angle and direction important? Well, if I want to hit the spot correctly, I need to hit it in the right direction to get the result and to get the knees to bend. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to move away from the camera slightly so that I'm on sideways plane. Okay, so here we are, just in view. Okay, I've got my hands up. So the first thing is step and strike down. 1, and again, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we turn, okay, and when I turn, okay, because I've done 5 steps, my left leg will always be forwards, okay, here again, and I go again one more time, okay, big strike up, and then we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and turn. So when we go across the second time, we're going to speed up a little bit and not do the count. We're just going to do it 5 times there and 5 times back. There we go. Okay, so we understand the principle. Strike down and strip off. Okay, make sure you're hitting the point. Adults, this is a point called long 5. If you're in the adult program, this is in your first grading. Okay, you should know this. Long 5. It's a metal point. Next, the breathing. Okay, legs will go, hand will release. Easy to get out of wrist grips. If you have any questions, fire them through to us. That's what we're here for. Okay, we get to answer your questions every day. And also, show me your video clips. I want to see you training. Go do it.